Thank you for joining me. Today in physics, we're going to be looking at examples of calculation involving what? Involving concept of position. So physics. And we're looking at calculations involving concepts of what? Of position. So let's take an example now. Example 1. No, rather it should be example 2 or 3. I've solved some previous example. This is going to be the final example I'll give you. We'll move on to the next. Say for example, find the distance. Find the what? The distance from point what? Point P in bracket 3 minus 7 to Q in bracket 8 and 5. So they say we should find the what? The distance. Don't forget, I told you that in calculation involving concept of position, to get the distance, you can remind me, what formula did I tell you to use? I told you formula using Pythagoras theorem from geometry. So what do? You say distance will be equals to what? Square root, okay? Distance will be equals to what? Square root of x2 minus x1, all in squares, plus bracket y2 minus y1, all in squares. Do you understand that now? So what do? Now, before you begin to replace the variables as the case may be, label this one to understand. All this zone, this place will be x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is x1, this other one is y1. x1, y1. Why the x is for the what? Horizontal component, the y is for the vertical component. This is what? x2, and this is what? y what? x2, and this is y2. Are you with me? So let's move now. So distance will now be equal to the square root of, open the bracket. What is x2? 8. You write 8. Now, minus, what is x1? 3. Put 3 here. Put the square. Then add, plus, open the brackets. Okay? What is y2? y2 is 5. Write 5. Minus, you write your minus, but open the bracket because of this minus sign. Then you put minus 7, close the bracket and close general bracket and put your square. Now, what does that mean? I'll clean up. I'm not sure if you can see. I don't know. So let me just clean up and continue. So let's go. So what do we do now? This will not come here. Draw the square root. Okay? Here is distance, which will now be equal to, what is 8 minus 3? You have 5. Put your square there, plus 5, open the bracket, write 5. Minus times minus will give you what? Plus. Are you with me? So you write plus, then the 7 will come. 7, and then square. Draw another square again. I'm just trying to break it. I will have jumped, but I don't want to assume. So that I want you to just follow step by step to understand. Okay, so you write this now. You do 5 square. Again, bring it down, plus 5 plus 7, that's what? 12. We give you square. So what do we do now? I'm going to clean this for clarity. I don't want to assume you are seeing if I go down. So what do? I write the square root, and then 5 square is what? 25. Plus 12 square, 144. So when you add it, what do you have? Which will be equals to square root of what? So if I put 2 here, 5 here, this is 9, 6. So my answer is what? These two, when you add 25 and 144, it will give you 169. And what is the square root of 169? Your answer will be what? 13 meters. That is the distance. I'd like you to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Adobe Fikemba. And I also like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Adobe Fikemba. See you in the next video. Thank you.